Cardano, and much more crypto prices. This is an emergency video, and if you're watching a little bit through here, you will definitely agree. I have some updates to share with you, which honestly, I think they are going to blow your mind. I was actually talking about these scenarios since, I don't know, a few days, actually for a few weeks now. And I remember how people were literally laughing at us as an MMCrypto community, and now, just listen, guys, who is laughing now? I think the MMCrypto community is laughing now. We are going to talk about not only my price targets, my trades. I actually opened a brand new multi-million US dollar trade on Bitcoin. I will talk about my trading scenarios on Bitcoin, on altcoins, my price targets. I will show everything completely transparently here to you in this live video. I wanted to thank you very much for joining this live video, for smashing up the like button. I'm just setting everything up here. We are waiting for the people to come into the chat. And obviously, I'm gonna share some updates also in regards to Shiba Inu. I know there are a lot of people. I just made a tweet today, got a few 100,000 impressions. It's just crazy. So obviously, I wanna talk about that if you're interested in that. I will talk about price targets, about specific breakouts which are happening actually right now as I'm speaking. Obviously, I'm here for you guys. I wanna cover everything what comes to your mind. Of course, in the end, we are going to do a little bit of a Q&A, of course. I will share VLaunch updates, Vpad updates, obviously here exclusively for you in this video. All I wanna have from you right now as you're watching this is just be a force for good, please. Go down below and smash up the like button. As this live stream is just coming live right now and I'm not doing so many live streams, I would truly appreciate if you could just like this video and share this video. Every single time you are sharing this video among the world, YouTube counts that. YouTube counts it in the whole back end of the internet, so to speak. Whenever a link is posted from YouTube and you're bringing traffic to the YouTube platform, this is counted as a backlink. And this gives our video more juice, more fuel, more power in terms of impressions. And you're really supporting me on my mission here to reach the whole world with this content. If you're just sharing the video, of course, every single comment, every single like counts just as well. If you feel comfortable with that, I would really appreciate that. And now let's go straight into the content. I can see here many people coming from South Africa, coming from the US, Warriors. I can see it, a lot of VLaunch family members here, MMCrypto family members. Very awesome. Shiba Inu community members. It's awesome to see that, really. I truly appreciate everyone in this space. And if you are an XRP fan and fanatic, I truly love you and appreciate you as well, as we are all kind of sitting in the same boat, even though the XRP boat looks a little bit different than the crypto boats we are sitting in. If I can see some likes for coming for that as well. Anyway, I want to go and start with this video as soon as possible. 3,000 people in this video after 2 minutes. I think that's enough. Let's go into it. And as the time passes, please, guys, smash up the like button. Just make noise. This is a big statement for crypto, guys, so please make sure you do this. Thank you so much for all the love. I'm gonna swipe around here now to the charts, because what you can see here, and yes, guys, I got a stand for my phone to make a little bit more appealing for you. What you can see here is something interesting. And by the way, to just give you an impression where I am here, I am in the office. You have here the NFTs on the wall. This is the office seat of my friend and neighbor Cryptomo. Of course, also my friend and neighbor in supporting VLaunch here going forward, and of course my CryptoPunks here on the wall, just for you to know where I'm sitting at here. So now let's talk about Bitcoin, because what you can see here is something interesting. On the 12-hourly candles, you can plot it on the daily as well. We saw time and time again these falling wedges actually breaking out towards the upside. Right now we are breaking out, and actually, if you're telling me, oh Chris, why didn't you tell me earlier? Well, I did. Go over to Twitter kindly and follow me at MMCrypto, where I was posting this actually, at MMCrypto, the verified account and only the verified account. And I have to scroll down because I posted it quite some time ago. I was posting this breakout quite some time ago for Bitcoin right here. The time is ticking for Bitcoin, the 29th. I was even posting it before. If I'm going back, I was posting it on the 27th. It is imminent. I was saying it is imminent. And well, as you can see right now, it is actually happening. Bitcoin is breaking this falling wedge to the upside. And I am going to not only mention my price targets on that. No, I'm going to mention much, much more. I will not only talk about my trade. I'm still having open on Phemex, 770,000 US dollars in profits. People were saying, Chris, you're gonna get liquidated. Well, I was staying my ground and I was keeping this position open, 7.4 million US dollar position, and brand new trade open as well. I just opened this Kamikaze 27x trade, 1.5 million US dollars. Of course, this one is likely to get wiped out, but I was trading it right here at the W breakout, right there. And Bitcoin is performing right now a test of a new W breakout. If we are breaking the 58,700 US dollar level, we can expect furthermore upside, actually breaking, Bitcoin breaking the 60,000 US dollar level. This is why I went into this kamikaze trade. And I was posting it on Twitter as well within like 1 or 2 hours, 50% profits already on this specific trade. And just to show you, obviously, I was posting this trade here as well. Actually, just like 1-2 hours ago, actually in the exact moment I was opening this trade. I'm just tweeting so much that I have to check here where I was posting that. Before I am going into my next price targets, obviously I wanted to give you a little bit of social proof here that I am updating you always in the moment it is necessary. Here I was saying 2 hours ago, I am longing Bitcoin right now. 2 hours ago, 2,000 likes on the street and actually 117,000 impressions. So obviously, guys, you are always updated here. I am here on your side. What you can see, Bitcoin is breaking higher right now. And just traditionally, the price target of a falling wedge breakout is the top of the wedge. And by the way, guys, before I am continuing here, telling you my price targets, where I'm going to close the trade, what I would be doing right now, if I would be standing on the sidelines, I can see more and more people popping in here, 4,000 viewers, and I would really love it if we can, in this video, get this up to 7, 8, 9, or 10,000 people watching live. For this, honestly, if maybe you think, okay, if I'm not doing it, the next person is doing it. But if everyone thinks like this in the world, we have a serious problem. If you are passing by, and I don't want to give an inappropriate example, but if you are passing by a person who is starving in a crowded city and everyone thinks like this person will be starving, right? So if you are part of the MMCrypto family and you were enjoying the content since, I don't know since when, you appreciate that I am pushing this content free to you. All you can do is go down below, like this video, share this video, and comment down below. Of course, sharing is what gives the most juice into the algorithm, but whatever you do, every single engagement actually counts, and every single engagement supports me on my mission. Now I'm an MMCrypto member saying, who is saying that here, Helen 8, and then Nutsack is saying, hey Chris, thank you so much for all your support, for all your comments. I will continuously answer some of your questions here later on, but now let's focus on the Bitcoin content. So this breakout here traditionally should have the price target of 68,700, which is the previous all-time high for Bitcoin. The previous all-time high for Bitcoin being my target of this breakout for the immediate short term. So that means in the immediate short term, Bitcoin would have a price target of 68,700, talking about the first week of December. This is what I'm looking out for. This is why I am actually exposed in these very risky trades right now. In total, 1.5 and 7.5 million, 9 million US dollars in Bitcoin long position open right now for this specific reason. Of course, I would like to see a little bit more volume to come in. If I am pulling out the volume candles, you can see, well, okay, this is this is Binance US, of course. So you can see here, of course, no volume on the weekend. Maybe not the best chart to pull up the volume, but now it's not weekend, and you can see the volume is not mind-blowing. So definitely something we still need to confirm that this breakout is legitimate. But guys, once more, there is another sheriff in town. There is another price target I was mentioning earlier. Actually, every single time Bitcoin was breaking these falling wedges, this is also a fractal play. If you play the falling wedge, well, you have the 68,700. If you are playing the fractal, you have to play a completely different meta here, man. Look at this, 62% in this pump. This is a fractal because we have the same thing happening here again. So let's see, what was the next pump? Once again, I talked about that before, but I'm not getting tired to tell you, 60% once again. So if we get something around the vicinity of these numbers, we are actually talking for this specific breakout, a price target of approximately 92,000 US dollars if this would only be a 58% pump. 92,000 US dollars for Bitcoin, actually a price target I was mentioning earlier in regards to Fibonacci extension levels. Now actually 67 to 92,000 US dollars. Now we are having confluence also from a fractal point of view. And if I'm zooming out, I wanted to give you a little bit more updates before I am going over into altcoin analysis and of course into the total crypto market cap. I know you guys are looking out for Metaverse projects. I know you guys are looking out for altcoin price targets for Shiba Inu, Ethereum, Cardano. I will address all of that. Just stick here with me until the very end of that video. Now let's talk about what's happening on Bitcoin quickly before I am going over into the next pieces of content. There is another price target I am actually looking out for, actually since we were hitting the low here. Remember how I was talking about the Wyckoff distribution pattern, not predicting it, but mentioning it as a possible price target, where I was saying right there at 58,000 US dollars, hey guys, at least it's possible if we break the bottom here at 50,000 that we are breaking down, and my worst case price target would be 29 or 28,800, 29,000 US dollars. Well, we hit this exact lowest worst case price target, and everyone who is part of the MMCrypto family since more than 6-7 months remembers this because it was one of the most viewed videos I had at this time on my channel. So this is something I was talking about before, but ever since then I was already pulling up the Fibonacci extension level from the bottom to the top. And ever since then I was mentioning the 87,000 US dollar price level. And obviously this is a price level which, especially at that point of time, looked extremely unrealistic for most of the people. I'm just preparing here something else for you. And I can literally remember people were not only laughing at me, they were making jokes. They were spitting on my chest, on my shoulder, on my head, around my head. And now they are coming back actually apologizing because honestly, guys, the facts are a little bit changing here and people are actually changing their opinion on that regard as well. Because what you can see also is on the monthly candles for Bitcoin, if you are pulling this out, you can see that right now Bitcoin is fighting with the resistance on the monthly candles. Remember, we have 11 years resistance here, and every single time we touch the 11 years resistance, we went into a bear market. Just right here, we touched the resistance, 3-month downtrend. But guys, ladies and gentlemen, for the first time in Bitcoin history, we are for the second time right now retesting the 11 years resistance. And I can actually show you something. If you were to connect, and by the way, look at the RSI, also for the first time in history for Bitcoin, we are hitting an all-time high without the RSI being overbought. So obviously there is a little bit more fuel which Bitcoin can actually fire. What I wanted to say is, if you are connecting the wicks on the monthly, which is the bodies, not the wicks on the monthly, which is the most important, you can actually redraw this line and just connect the bodies, and then what are we seeing here by just connecting the bodies? Might take a half a second. Let me just connect the bodies here. Boom, boom, boom. Pull this back so we have only the bodies connected. Then you can actually see that, dear ladies and gentlemen, bam, Bitcoin just broke already the resistance and was right now confirming it and bouncing from there. So from that viewpoint, you might even say that for the first time, and that was actually already last year, Bitcoin broke the resistance and is above the 11-year resistance. For the first time, we broke it and can right now look forward to much higher price target as the resistance is below us, not above us. However, on the weekly candles, there is no way to redraw it. The resistance is above us and it is sitting at 70,000 US dollars. Meaning, when we are breaking out here and fulfilling the fractal I was mentioning in the earlier in the video, by the way, if you're watching here later on right now, just go down below. This red bar, you can just take it and go all the way back to the beginning of the video. This is a live video, but it doesn't hold you back to watch it from the very beginning. So please make sure you are doing that if you're joining late here. The fractal I mentioned with the 3 falling wedges after time has the measured move price target of 68,700. So the previous all-time high. If we were to reach that, there is no way, in my opinion, I can be wrong, that we are forming a double top there. So it just needs another small pump here. And remember, Michael Saylor was just buying another 400 something million US dollar worth of Bitcoin, 7,000 Bitcoin. I mean, institutions are not only getting into the game, they are already in the game and they are stacking up as they have never been stacking up before. It needs another small push for us to also eliminate the 11-year resistance on the weekly candles. When this is happening, we are not only talking about the 87,000, the 92,000 US dollar price levels. We are actually talking about something completely different. I want to show it to you guys. We are actually talking about at least at least to say, and this is my analysis, you can prove me wrong after time, obviously, 2.618, 3.618, and 4.618. The 123,000, 158, 9,000, and eventually. And this might take a few months more, maybe February, March, or something. The 4.618, the 195,000 US dollar level for Bitcoin. And yes, maybe people are laughing at me once again, but I am time after time again using the Fibonacci extension levels after a big rejection as we had it right now in March and April, March, June. I'm using those after a dump every single time. I did it the last time, the last run up in 2020. And we are knocking these levels out, getting rejections down, breaking it and getting to the next Fibonacci extension level. These ones are just extremely accurate and I will continue to use them. And I truly believe if we break the 11-year resistance, we are going to reach these levels time after time. And as you know, in the MMCrypto community, after the price target is before the price target. So what we are doing with our trades here, before I go now into the altcoins, of course, as I was promising you, what we are doing with our trades, my trade on Bybit, my trade on Phemex, actually, let me quickly reload it. Phemex is for some reason always reloading. Perfect. My trade on Phemex is 720,000 US dollars in a profit. What I'm doing with these trades, I am keeping them open. And as we are going higher and knocking out higher price levels, I am taking profits out of these trades. This is my crypto exit strategy trading wise. Of course, on my hodling portfolio, these price targets doesn't matter. But if I'm having a trade open, a long-term swing trade or a position trade, I am scaling out as we are knocking out these Fibonacci extension levels, and I am taking these profits into Bitcoin. Psychologically, it's extremely interesting and very important for you to understand. When we are taking profits, when we are going higher in Bitcoin, and Bitcoin goes furthermore higher, you still generate profits. If we go lower, you at least secured that Bitcoin amount. This is why we are trading Bitcoin settled futures actually on Bybit and on Phemex. I'm right now currently trading more on Phemex than on Bybit, but both of these platforms are recommended platforms of mine. I have affiliate links down below. Full disclosure, you get a bonus, I get a bonus. You can just type in the link if you want, not use the link down below, but if you use the link down below, you get a bonus you would not get otherwise. So of course, and it's also a kind of a support for the channel, just full disclosure. Use the links down below if you want. And now let's go over into the altcoins before I will eventually circle back to Bitcoin. But I can see Ethereum is on the move here, Shiba Inu and all of these things. Of course, Ethereum for me personally, the most important one. That's why I want to talk about that before it's too late, guys. This is also why many of you guys are here. And just quickly, guys, please give me this feedback. Down below, there is a like button. So if you want more altcoins also on top of the Bitcoin content I'm providing regardless, please give me this feedback here. If we are smashing through 3,000, 3,500 likes here right now in this moment, you are giving me this feedback that you want more of the altcoins. I think it's the easiest because to count the comments is a little bit hard here. So just smash up the like button and we will definitely get that feedback. So on Ethereum, I was also posting something. We are breaking out from this W pattern. And once again, if you're not subscribed to the MMCrypto Twitter channel, you might say, oh, Chris, why are you not telling us before? Why are you waiting with this live stream to tell us? Well, I did actually, I did. I was posting more than an hour ago. Ethereum is breaking right now at 4,600 US dollars. Now let me go back to it. Right now we are getting follow through and Ethereum is going higher. Actually, from the moment of my call here, from the moment of the breakout, better to say, this breakout would actually bring us a 12% pump, actually a pump all the way above the 5,000 US dollar level. And dear ladies and gentlemen, guess what? This would be a new all-time high for Ethereum. Why do I think Ethereum is going to break the all-time? I can be wrong, right? I always have to say it because otherwise, oh, Chris, what are you saying there? Why do I think Ethereum is going to break the all-time high rather sooner than later? Actually, very, very soon. Why am I holding all my Ethereum still? Almost 20% of my portfolio. I mean, it's ludicrous, right? Considering that I'm so heavily exposed into Bitcoin. For me, it's a very, very high amount. The reason for that being is something I was talking about for many, many months already. Ethereum is deflationary. Understand this, guys. Since this update, I was pushing, I don't know when did I push it actually, a few months ago. There are more Ethereum most of the days being burned than actually being mined, which means that the total supply is decreasing right now. This was the biggest argument against Ethereum price appreciation, because we had a total amount of Ethereum blocks and inflation being mined, whereas the percentage inflation was decreasing after time, the total inflation kept stagnant, right? So this was of course a big reason, because as a store of value, you don't want to have inflation. Money shouldn't have inflation. Money is a store of value. Currency can have inflation, but not money. This was a big reason against Ethereum. And now we can see that this reason is eliminated. Ethereum is deflationary right now, and besides some gas issues, transaction cost problems they still have, this is eliminated, and that's a big power behind the Ethereum price, and this is why I was going heavily bullish on Ethereum since a very long time ago, and I want to prove it to you. If you are not subscribed to us for quite some time here, I want to show you on the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, the Ethereum US dollar chart. I was telling you at 3,000 US dollars, we are breaking out here. I was telling you much earlier, I mean, this is a big Picasso drawing, so of course not the most beautiful one, but I was actually predicting these bullish breakouts for ages right now. More obvious it actually becomes on the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. I mean, it can't be more bullish. It can't be more beautiful. We just broke the resistance. Ethereum is bullish against Bitcoin even. Honestly, guys, this is something let me go back all this time here to August 2021. I was telling you, guys, we are breaking here once again a weekly pattern for Ethereum. Ethereum is gonna go very bullish against Bitcoin. This is when Ethereum was, look at this, 0.026%. So 2.6% of Ethereum against Bitcoin. Ever since then, let's fast forward. It's actually the exact same pattern. Ever since then, fast forward 14 months into the future, I am telling you the exact same thing again. I'm just repeating me. This is the exact same thing again. Once again, a symmetrical triangle of Ethereum against Bitcoin. 14 months later, we are breaking out, and I am telling you once again, I am predicting higher price targets to come for Ethereum, not only against US dollar, but also against Bitcoin. I'm still saying Bitcoin is king. I'm holding most of my portfolio in Bitcoin. Doesn't mean that I cannot show some love in terms of exposure in my portfolio for other very solid projects, and Ethereum is, in my opinion, the second most solid project in that space after Bitcoin. Now let me continue, guys. And I can see, wow, we are getting more and more viewers here. It really makes me very happy, because it shows that more people are coming in than dropping off. It's a big compliment for me, and I truly love and appreciate you for giving me that. It's really amazing. More than 3,000 likes, almost 7,000 people here. So continue, guys, continue. Smash up the like button. I want to see 10,000 live viewers here. That would be awesome. I can remember when I was doing more live videos. I go into Shiba Inu and the altcoins very shortly. But I was just in the beginning of the year doing so many live videos, and YouTube was pushing our live videos like crazy. That was because back then, if you can relate, if you can remember this, if you were part of our movement back in the days, the people were pushing the algorithm so crazy that our live videos were actually the most viewed live videos in the whole crypto world. I was gaining in 1 month more than 90,000 followers or subscribers here on YouTube. It was crazy. Let's get back at this again. Let's make our MMCrypto community a force for good. So please smash up the like button, comment, and the most important, share this video. If you are doing that, would be very amazing. And if you are not part of the MMCrypto family yet, we have been crushing it in the last few years, guys. Be part of it. Just go down below in this red subscription box, press it and make it gray. Press the bell and press on all, not to miss out on the future videos here. Bitcoin is killing altcoins soon. Well, I can tell you, in the long run, Bitcoin will kill most of the altcoins. There are a few altcoins though which have some right to survive, which have some right to have a legitimate space here in crypto. But no one will, and that's something I'm very convinced in, ever take the position one from Bitcoin. Bitcoin will remain to be king, and that's why I will always have the vast majority of my portfolio exposed in Bitcoin. Okay? That being said, let's go over into the altcoins. That being said, let's go over, and I will circle back into Bitcoin. Of course, this is supposed to be the most fun live stream you have seen since ages. You can see Ethereum breaking out, continuing to break out as I predicted against Bitcoin. Ethereum breaking out against US dollar as I predicted. And of course, going over into, boom. How can I, you know what? I will put it back into because I want to say the predicted one. And now I auto scale it. Bam. And also Bitcoin breaking out of this very, very beautiful pattern. Actually, I was talking about earlier. Anup from MMCrypto, shout out to him, is also talking about it, where we are having a falling wedge, breakout, falling wedge, breakout, falling wedge, breakout. These things are looking amazing. It is not 100% confirmed yet, as the volume is not coming in, but as long as we are holding this very important trend line, and actually, before I go into the altcoins now, as long as we are holding this important trend line, where is the color scheme here? Boom. As long as we are holding this trend line, everything is fine. This is the primary trend for Bitcoin on the daily right now. This is the 12-hourly candles, but on the daily, it's the primary trend for Bitcoin. Remember this, ladies and gentlemen, as long as we are holding this one, we are fine. If we are breaking down here, we can even still confirm it at 55,000 US dollars, we would still be fine. And now I want to talk about the altcoins. I want to know from you, before I continue here, in the end I go back into Bitcoin and Ethereum, please let me know in the comments right now. Should I continue to start? Should I continue now with the total crypto market cap, Cardano, Elrond, or Shiba Inu? And in the end, I will pick up your favorite altcoins. You will be able to put it in the comment section, make noise like crazy, and I will pick it up for you, the most suggested ones for sure. So let me know in the comment section down below right now. I can see, by the way, the Shiba army, if you want to talk about Shiba first, smash up the like button. For everyone else, go into the comment section and make noise here. Floki, Cardano, wow. I expected Shiba to win, but here we have so many Cardano people. Okay, Elrond. It's pretty much evened out. I want to be fair to everyone, but honestly, I will talk about everything regardless, right? So let me do Shiba Inu, people, don't be angry. You will be second. Let me start quickly here with Cardano, okay? Because I felt like Cardano was a little bit more suggestions, and Cardano is definitely a very legit project to talk about right now. So what I find to be interesting is that Cardano is very, very legit. We had a very big run-up actually in August here, when Cardano actually went from $1.20 all the way up, and that was crazy, to $3. Remember, they had an amazing upgrade, which people were waiting for since 2018 or something, or 2017, maybe even 2018. Finally came out, of course, this was the reason for this big run up. Now, if Cardano is boring for like 2 months, 3 months already, and that is a good thing actually for everyone who is looking out for a trade coming up on Cardano very, very soon. Because whenever in an altcoin season, a legit altcoin is boring while everything else is pumping, this gives you some, not arbitrage, but some very good risk-return ratios on potential trades here. Because whenever it's very boring, that's the moment we should get vigilant. Would I trade a breakdown here? No. Would I trade a breakout here? No, also not immediately, because what you can see, we already got a fake out before. So if ever Cardano is going to break this level here, which is right now hovering around between the $1.80 to $1.90 level, once we are breaking it, wait for volume support and wait for a confirmation of the breakout. What you were able to see here before, when we broke out, the confirmation did not happen. This is a big play. This is a long-term play. You want to play this beyond the $3 level. So you might as well wait for the breakout, a confirmation of the previous support, which is then turning into resistance, and then important, not only a bounce, a break above the previous rejection point. Once this is happening, we can actually start talking. Once this is happening, we can see what is the next price target. And for that, I am pulling out once again the Fibonacci extension level from the bottom all the way to the high. And then you can see we already hit the 1.618. For everyone who is always laughing at me for pulling out these Fibonacci extension levels, we already hit this one before. From the bottom to the high, 1.618 right here, we hit this price level already. What I would be looking out for is only if we break this downward sloping trend, actually the next price level at the 2.618, which is $4.73. $4.73, the next price target for Cardano, if and only if we are breaking on the daily candles the upward sloping trend channel, breaking out with volume support, going down, confirming the breakout by bouncing from the previous resistance, which is then turning into support, and breaking above the previous rejection point. That is what I'm thinking about Cardano right now. So right now, am I going into a long trade on Cardano? No. Am I potentially going into a long trade on Cardano? Definitely, but I am waiting for the trend to change. I am waiting for Cardano to break sustainably here the downward sloping trend channel. Now I want to go into Elrond. No, I'm joking. I know that everyone is waiting for Shiba Inu, so let me, of course, talk about Shiba Inu. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Shiba Inu, actually, I would have never believed that I would say that, but the chart is looking bullish right now, and I want to show you why. I'm not trading it, right? I want to stay away from that, but this is Shiba Inu right now on the daily candles. We are having this falling wedge here. The falling wedge actually broke out. And if you are going in right now, you already missed out on, actually, that's crazy, on a 25% pump. So obviously, if you are buying now, if you are longing now, you are actually going into green candles. However, from this break, to the price target, it is a 102% pump from the present moment of now. And actually, I wouldn't leverage trade it. It's extremely, extremely dangerous. If you want, of course, I have this Binance link down below. Might as well do it. If you're an experienced trader, $710 in free bonuses on my Binance link down below. But please be very, very careful, guys. Please be careful. It's rather a spot trade, actually, or maybe a very low leverage trade. But from the present moment of now to the price target of, let's call it the top of the, let's call it the body, the top of the wedge. It is a 54% pump all the way up to, let me see here, 0. It's very hard. I can't call it in Satoshi. If it would be Satoshi, it would be 2,789 Satoshi if it would be, but it's the US dollar amount. So 0.00002789. But what I wanted to mention is, guys, the same goes for Shiba Inu and for Dogecoin. We are still talking about a meme coin with an insane, amazing, very strong community, of course, with Binance support. I see like crazy, crazy market making, there crazy, crazy volatility, very, very good volume. Sometimes the volume is close to the Bitcoin volume. It's really crazy. But what you're still buying a meme coin here, and you are still buying something which is valued tens of billions of US dollars. Right? So keep this in mind. Just keep it in mind. But nice long opportunity as we just broke the falling wedge here. Very, very nice long opportunity. So now, before I go into Elrond, before I go into VLaunch and everything else, I mean, come on, we have crazy updates. Look at this. So VLaunch, 116,000 followers. It is the fastest growing crypto community in the world. And I'm actually proving that right here before I go here more into altcoins. Right here, I'm proving that. I was posting more than an hour ago that we are number one. In 1 hour, 45,000 views on this Twitter video. It's crazy. Look at this. I'm just stopping here. This is the list of the top Telegram groups. Our two groups on Telegram. And please, guys, very, very important, don't type it in yourself now. There are thousands, or like maybe not thousands, but many, many scam groups. Our groups, our Telegram groups are number 1 and 2 in the world. And you know why? Everyone who is joining our Telegram groups here and everyone who is following us over on Twitter and is active there is going to get a free ID hour allocation on our token. We are not raising any funds here from the public, guys. It's completely for free for everyone. And if you want to get the links, just go to Twitter at VLaunch.com, Only this one with this followers right now at the time of recording and with these links here in the bio. Don't fall for any scams. And now let's continue to talk about the altcoins. Wow, I can see so much support. Yeah, people are going crazy on VLaunch. It's really insane. But obviously, I don't want to shill it too much. I know why you are on this channel, and I know why you are in the VLaunch channel. So I want to provide you here with specifically also content on crypto. And in the end, of course, I will answer some of your questions, right? So let's go back here into the chart, and this is Elrond right now. You can see Elrond is in a big downtrend in the last few days here. This is the 4-hourly candles, but also, as you can see, all the previous breakouts here perfectly happening as predicted. We were breaking out, confirming the price target, and actually sooner or later hitting my price target for Elrond. Right now, we are retesting this. Right now, Elrond is actually in this downwards trend, and we could even draw a pattern here. We could even draw something like a symmetry, a descending triangle or something, but we are at the apex. So I am actually predicting that within today or tomorrow, a very big move for Elrond is coming. It's not the most beautiful pattern because we have a lot of black space here, but I think a very big move for Elrond is coming. I'm still holding my Elrond. I'm actually holding a few million US dollar worth of Elrond, and I'm gonna continue to do so because yeah, I'm not going in for the immediate short term, and this downtrend actually just shows me that once we are breaking this downward sloping trend line, good times to come. Now back to Bitcoin. What you can see here, if you are, by the way, if you are joining here a little bit late, guys, no problem. Just go down below this red bar, just take it all the way back, and you will see the content I shared in the beginning of the video. It's very important, guys, that you're not missing out on that. Like, the whole video is here for you, and if you miss out on that, just scroll back and check it out. What you can see is Bitcoin is right now continuing this breakout from the falling wedge. Look at this. I was posting this before on Twitter, and we are right now continuing the breakout, 58,500 US dollars. Actually, you can see my trade here over on Bybit in significant profits within 2 hours, already 50% in profits. And my trade over on Phemex, it has to load here once again. My trade over on Phemex, 768,000 US dollars in a profit. Yes, I am keeping these trades open because, well, the trend is my friend. The trend should be your friend until the very end. And we are continuously putting in higher highs, higher lows, and also higher highs. So no reason for Bitcoin, no reason actually to be bearish on this specific chart here right now, right? As long as we are not breaking here this upward sloping trend. By the way, guys, I can see more than 4,000 likes already, almost 7,000 people watching. This is completely amazing. VLaunch, Vpad, VIP Victory, thank you so much for all your support, guys. Crazy. So many people here. Insane. Follow us all, by the way, over on Twitter, where I'm posting with Mo basically all the time and giving you all the Morton updates. Almost 4,500 likes. Now we can maybe go into a quick Q&A. I would give you actually a house tour, but you already saw this on Twitter, right? This video I posted, it got more than 1 million views within a day, now sitting at like 1.2, 1.3 million views. Crazy. At MMCrypto if you didn't see it yet. VLaunch is an awesome concept. Yeah, it is an awesome concept because basically if you want to get a hold of Metaverse top tier projects, well, might as well join the community on Twitter, on Telegram, and yeah, Twitter is at VLaunch.com. The Telegram groups are in the bio. You might as well join us over there. Please don't fall for scams. No one, we will never ask you for money, because if you join these communities, it's completely for free. And if you are getting the free Vpad tokens, you can stake them, get more Vpad in a deflationary system, and get a hold of more top tier Metaverse projects in the future. And on top of that, we are going to have more free IDO allocations for more top tier projects coming, right? Of course, it's going to be IDOs, traditional IDOs, and also free IDO allocations for everyone who wants stuff for free. I think it's really awesome. And if you're asking why should projects do that, well, they get exposed to the biggest, fastest growing, and most hyped community in the world. Makes sense, right? It's a win-win-win for everyone. Yeah, here you can see DeedC is actually posting the Twitter link in the comments. That's awesome. Keep pumping the link in, guys. You can see the link here. Don't fall for anything else. We will never ask you for money. Never ask you for money, guys. Very important. These tokens are for free. When VLaunch will be ready, very soon, we will announce the exact launch date by today or by tomorrow. Elrond, baby, yes. Ethereum, I'm also a big Ethereum fan. XRP, you know what? XRP, let's do XRP. Long time no talks, but XRP is very interesting. And I have to tell you guys, I am holding XRP. I'm actually holding, I don't know how much, maybe almost 2 million US dollars in XRP because, well, I'm too lazy to sell. But for a very specific reason, XRP looks very interesting right now, and I want to show you. Let me go back. Boom. Actually, let me show you on my Twitter, because I posted it on my Twitter. I gave XRP some limelight on my Twitter. I have to find it. Here, XRP soon. Oh, jeez. Now I have to go down again because I clicked it wrong. XRP is soon not a stable coin anymore. Here I was posting it. Because what you can see is right now on the weekly candles, XRP is forming a symmetrical triangle. And I was calling the bottom here at 98 cents as we were actually hitting the support. And if you say now, oh, XRP, I don't like it. Yeah. What is Da Vinci saying? Don't hate it. Don't date it. Just trade it, right? So what you can see here is XRP is on the weekly candles forming a very, very beautiful symmetrical triangle. And when we are seeing a pattern on the weekly candles, me as a non-emotional trader, I'm getting very vigilant. And I'm not too proud to say XRP is looking bullish, right? I'm not a fan of XRP and fundamentally it's not looking bullish at all. But at least technically, we are looking bullish on XRP, right? And if you cannot accept that, I'm very sorry, but it's definitely worth a trade once we are breaking on the weekly here. And then the price target is approximately $2.40. That's what I'm looking out for right now, right? You can actually even quote a higher price target, but you want to go conservative, right? Any other questions? Cardano, Phantom. I think Phantom is interesting. I have to check Phantom. We are having actually Phantom support on our Launchpad, right? Very important. But just a second. I think Phantom is interesting because they have, oh, that's not the right chart. They have a very good TVL to market cap ratio. The TVL is approximately as high as the market cap. TVL is total value locked, right, in Phantom. And that's very, very high. Actually, they were next to us on the Monaco Grand Prix. So what you can see here, Phantom is actually, yeah, the chart is not looking bad. I actually would say Phantom has upside from here. If the altcoin market continues, Phantom has significant upside as Phantom's TVL is very, very high compared to the market cap. Let me actually go over here to CoinGecko and show you if I'm not remembering it completely wrong. But also remember, it's already top 42. Anyways, Phantom, good project. Shout out to you guys. I'm not exposed to Phantom, but what you can see, let me see where it is. Let me see where it is. It's not showing us the TVL here, right? Forgot, it was on another one, I think. Where was it? I don't know, guys. I don't know. I have to check maybe on DeFi Pulse or something. I would have to check it. Anyways, Phantom is really, really an interesting project, and the chart looks not too bad. However, remember, it's already top 40, top 50, top 42, and the upside is not insane, right? The upside is just not insane. Any other questions? What other questions do we have here? Dogecoin on the weekly. Dogecoin on the weekly, okay. Let's check Dogecoin because we talked about Elon, are you watching? We talked about Shiba Inu, so let's talk about Dogecoin. Doge USD. But which chart? Maybe Bittrex? Maybe Bittrex. Bittrex is maybe the best chart here. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It's showtime. Let me see. Just a second. Let me prepare because I didn't check the Dogecoin chart for some time. Maybe I plot this on the weekly. Yeah. Ooh. 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 Is Elon preparing a big pump here? That would be, of course, nice for every Dogecoin holder. Let me see how I can draw the lines here properly. Yeah, but the breakout will still take some time, right? It's not perfectly drawn here, but on the weekly, actually, we have, let me quickly turn it around. On the weekly, we have actually a very nice symmetrical triangle forming on the weekly. You can also plot it on the daily. But, well, if the altcoin market has to continue for a few more weeks for that, but we just bounced from here. So I could imagine another retest of the downward sloping resistance from here. If you don't want to wait, this would be a 27% pump for Dogecoin all the way up to 28 cents approximately. 28 cents. But for me as a breakout trader, it's much more interesting to trade the breakout. So I would wait, I would give it a little bit of time and then trade a US dollar settled breakout all the way up to 45 cents, which is the price target of the symmetrical triangle. But for this, I think it takes a few more weeks. So do we have more? You know what, 45 minutes. That's a long time already. I covered probably 7, 8 altcoins. I did my job today, but smash up the like button and leave your favorite altcoins down below in the comment section, because I want to take them into consideration for future videos as well. Also, if you're watching right now, please guys, you don't want to miss out on that, because it's actually an offer you cannot refuse. If you go on VLaunch.com, very important, on VLaunch.com, you don't want to miss out. This is the fastest growing community in the world, the most active Telegram group in the world. Because if you are part of the community, you can get a hold of your own free IDO allocation for VLaunch, Vpad tokens at VLaunch.com. Very important, at VLaunch.com, we will never ask you for money. Follow, engage, be an active part, and join the token chat. Join the project chat and join the VLaunch.com alerts chat. It is in the bio of this Twitter channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. By the way, 500,000 subscribers. Go down below, press subscribe to join the 500,000 MMCrypto family. I think we just broke it. Let me quickly see if we broke it. I want to break it together with you in the live stream. Some people dropping off already, but I want to break it together with you in the live stream. We didn't break it yet. Wait a second. MMCrypto live. No, wait. Oh, jeez. Just a second. YouTube live subscriber count. I wanna see. Real time. I think we are very close to the 500,000, and I think it would be cool to capture that live on camera with the most loyal people here. Where's the live subscriber count? Come on. Where can I see the live subscriber count? Katy Perry. Why is it showing? I will just turn it around. Why is it showing me Katy Perry, right? I'm just not so good in these things, guys. I'm just not so good in these things. I think I found it. Nice. I understand. Here. MMCrypto. Oh, PewDiePie, 110 million. Not bad. So, boom. It's not 99,000. It's more than 99,000. It's not showing the exact number, I think. Oh, come on. Go down below, smash this subscription button. But I think this API is not correct, because we have, when I started this video, we had 499,900. So it's not 100% correct. I can see you guys stay still in the video, even though I'm messing up here the YouTube search, and that really means a lot to me. You are amazing. Let's see. Ah, this one is working. No, it's also showing just 499,000. Sorry, I don't know why it's not working, but what we can definitely do is we can just refresh this page here. Let's just refresh this page and go down below and press subscribe. Maybe we can hit it, but I don't want to bore you here too much, but I can answer some questions maybe for you so you can get some value out of it, right? Some value out of it. VLaunch technical analysis, very important. The token is not out yet. Our VLaunch token is not out yet. So all the pancake swap, whatever you see, it's a scam. Our contract address will be posted on Twitter and on Telegram. You already know the links at VLaunch.com on Twitter, and the Telegram group links are in the pinned comment. We will never ask you for money, and we will post the contract details, very importantly, whenever the time has come, okay? So there is no TA possible yet. Oh, I think we cannot break the 500,000 in time here now, because I really have to go off. Unfortunately, I don't know where to see that we got 63 million views already. That's of course awesome. I don't know where to see the real life subscriber count, because there is one function where you can check the real life subscriber count, but maybe the API is not updating here every second anymore, because as I know, it was before. Which exchanges for VLaunch? We will announce very soon. I don't want to give any details because I want to give these announcements exclusively in the chats. I was here when Chris reached 500,000 subscribers. Did I reach 500,000 subscribers already? I can tell you something. We have news about exchange listings, but of course I don't wanna give anything away here. Let's see what's happening here. Oh, wait. What is happening actually on the prices? I already wanted to go offline, but maybe now we stay here. Gee, what the heck? Bitcoin is breaking out completely. Wow. As I predicted. This is awesome. Let me open the chart. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Boom. Boom. You know when it's really gonna go crazy? When it's really going to go crazy, when we break above the previous wick here. That's always important because we had a breakout, confirmation of the breakout, and when it's really going to go crazy is when we are breaking above the previous rejection point, which is right now located at 58,950. When we are breaking above this one, wow, I'm happy that I didn't end the live stream. Then it's gonna go crazy. But as you can see, my trade on Bybit, which I mentioned earlier, is already 70% in profit, $43,000. Just opened it earlier, kamikaze trade at a 27x leverage. Show me someone who is showing you a 27x long trade on Bitcoin in the moment he is opening it. We need a 3-point-something% dump for me to get liquidated. Yet I am having the balls going out there and showing the trade in the moment I'm opening it. And if I am getting liquidated, I'm still gonna go out and I'm telling you guys, I got liquidated. I'm always being honest here to you and I'm always showing you and giving you these chances in the moment I'm opening the trades on Twitter. And if I'm opening it live, of course I can do it live. Most of the times, I can definitely do it on Twitter. Yeah, CryptoFace is doing it. Yeah, CryptoFace is doing it for sure. Big shout out to him. I didn't want to forget him. He's funny AF. By the way, he is a backer of our project. He's backing our project as well. Crazy. Bitcoin is really breaking out here. And as you can see, my trade over on Bybit, $45,000 in a profit, 71% in a profit, and over on Femex, $846,000 in a profit. Amazing. And everyone dropping out of this chat here too early, out of this video too early, is right now probably in big regrets because the price is breaking out and we can do some live coverage here on the Bitcoin price. Actually, guys, if you're watching this right now and you want to do something good for your friend, next door neighbor or so, take this link. Share it with him on WhatsApp. Share it in a WhatsApp group, in a Telegram group, wherever you feel comfortable with, and bring the people into the stream, and we can actually, rock it together here. What, you know when it goes crazy? When Bitcoin breaks, dear ladies and gentlemen, above this specific line, let me go over to the 4-hourly. When we are breaking above this line, this is the moment it goes crazy. Okay, and this is the moment we can be looking out for much higher price targets. Let's see when this is going to happen. By the way, let me walk around here. Oh, no. I just wanted to walk around, but we are breaking it right now. We are breaking it right now. Bitcoin broke it. I think from now, I can be wrong. I can always be wrong, guys. Don't forget that. But this looks good. This looks very good. This is the reason why I was opening this trade in the first place, because this breakout obviously looks very good to me. Yeah, we are getting this breakout right now. Boom. Guys, can you go down below and smash the like button if you haven't done it yet? Can you go down below and make noise for the comment section if you haven't done that yet? Oh, I got my 500,000 subscribers, someone said. We broke the 59 and I got the 500,000 subscribers. Let's see. Boom. Did we get it? 499. Come on. Boom! Amazing. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, wow. We just broke 500,000 subscribers. In the moment, my trade is panning out exactly as I was predicting it earlier over on Twitter. This is my XRP call, which is accurate so far. Then I have, by the way, this was crazy, 28,000 likes on this viral video where I was showing my house and showing actually how I was getting from a taxi driver to, where I was a taxi driver 4.5 years ago. I'm talking about that. Make sure you check it out if you want. Where was my accurate prediction on Bitcoin? Actually, here I was saying, let's go. In the moment we were actually confirming the breakout, I was showing it to you in the exact moment at 57,000. And of course, also a few days ago already, Bitcoin hourly bull break, I was also quoting and predicting accurately. And of course, earlier I was posting right here that the clock is ticking for Bitcoin before the breakout, and I posted it even before it's imminent. The moment we were bouncing at 55,000 US dollars, I was time and time updating you. By the way, guys, if you haven't watched this video, I want to show you now. Boom. Watch it, wait. Wait, no, you know what? I will make it small and just a second. Okay. Wait, before we go back into the chart. Yeah, that was funny. I was just there was a banana, this one here, and I was slapping into the wall before I go back into the chart. I want to show you again. This banana, it's a squeezy banana for offices, right? I was squeezing into the wall like this. Wow, and now it's falling down, right? And then I'm catching it, missed. Now it's not working. Let's do one more. Come on. No, it's not. Oh, yes. Ah. Okay, you can see already my skills are extremely limited when it comes to this game, but I can see the people are enjoying this. My skills are limited when it comes to this, but my skills are not limited in other things. So I think this was a nice moment. Anyway, so I can see the likes are going through the roof when I'm playing with the banana. What else can I do? Let me see. What else can I do? I think what I'm better at is football. So I can throw this and I can catch it with my neck. Let's try this. Ah, you see? It's here. I could do this many times. I'm much better with football. So that's it. So what other questions do we have? Stella Lumen, you are just amazing. Party in the house. Cristiano Ronaldo, yes. Cristiano is awesome. Lewandowski, all of them awesome. But Cristiano, very awesome. Good person, I think. So any other questions? Yeah, people celebrating my tricks here. Oh, wow. Ethereum also got a moonshot. Didn't come yet quite to the all-time high, but 4,750. Really amazing. I'm so happy about Ethereum. Let's do a house tour. Well, it's getting late already. I'm doing this video already for like almost an hour. You know what? I think now I deserve a little bit of rest. I truly appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.